Hello, wealthy, successful, money-making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you can be here with me. And usually this is my regular talking speed. I usually slow it down for the video, so I will do so. But I'm going to be leaving in about 2 hours, so I want to go ahead and make this video as I'm going out of town, and I haven't packed. I hadn't done anything yet. I was not going to trade today. However, you know the market pulled me in. As I watch the market, my mind is constantly narrating the real-time data that I'm seeing. And as price was going along, I was marking significant candles to tell you about and significant places in the market. Yes, this is past price action, but past price action teaches you a great deal about current right now price action. And remember that no candle story is complete until that candle's closed. Now, we were just kind of during the European session back in this back and forth choppy where you were selling off of resistance and buying off of support. We eventually got this breakdown of more than 100 pips. This candle is significant because this is bank strength. None of us have the power to move the market like this. We have almost 50 pips in this candle. So I waited for price to pull back because I figured after that much price action, surely we were going to get a correction in the market. We got this strong break above this 10 SMA. We came back to pierce this 10 SMA, however, we never closed it. Now, when I got into this trade, I knew that if price came back to close this strength, I was out of this market. Guys, that's one of the secrets to successful trading. Keeping your losses small. It preserves more of your wealth, and you can earn that money back quicker and get in profit. And also, by closing a bad trade, it gives you the power to follow market strength and make the money. However, price went in my favor beautifully. I marked this next area because this is what I call a great fake. Look at that. That is a beautiful fake out. We have all of this market strength. Price comes up here to the 200 SMA. It is rejected in a beautiful shooting star. This candle runs down and it's this huge bearish candle. In the last minute, it came back to close above that previous close. So guys, watch out for this. A lot of times in the market, this is a continuation pattern. Not always, but sometimes. But you can look at all of this previous market strength and you can see how price continued to move in this bullish fashion. Now, I had a pending sale up here because I was looking for price to come to break, to stop out, to close any of these stops that were above here, and I was looking to take advantage of that. So my pending sale hit. I started making lower highs, but we got to this 200 SMA. Price was rejected. We started making higher lows. I was not threatened by this simply because of the strength of the candles. Look at these slow moving candles compared to the strength of these previous candles. Also, we had about 27 hours of selling off resistance, buying off support, and blah blah blah. So we got here. I expected that same kind of thing. Price did fall down, but we had the slow moving strength to the upside. And I'm thinking, well, I'm going to put in another pending order, which I did, to take out this high. We came back above that to do that. Now, when I got here, I thought, okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the market's going to just fall down from this point. But I was waiting for what I call that golden signal. And that was this candle. This is the golden candle that I was looking for. It's the golden candle because a lot of times at the bottom or at the very top of a market move, you will have a really big candle. That's not always, but a lot of times. So looking at the strength of this price action compared to the previous price action, I thought, yes, I'm looking for that shorting opportunity. I came back above this previous high And I was also looking for, once we did that, I got filled at the price that I was looking for. We fell back down, but I was looking for another significant pattern in the market. Either, well, you see what I got. I got this bearish engulfing pattern. I was looking for a shooting star or a bearish engulfing. And you can see I got this bearish engulfing candle. So I was in hog heaven because we were previously shorting off of this same resistance level for about 27 hours. And we got into this long, boring kind of price stalemate, if you will. And the difference between this setup and this setup that I marked earlier is that we closed below this previous bearish candle. In this setup, we did not. We actually came to close above that. And guys, watch out for this kind of thing. If you have a lot of strength in the candle and you close the strength of that candle either side, either to the up or the downside, then you are looking to follow that strength. In my case, I ended up closing out like 4 trades. I had 4 bad trades because we came to close above this strength. Now guys, this is the thing that's so important. If you close above or below a significant strength candle in the market, go ahead and close that trade, because you never know what the market's going to do. You never know which one of those trades are going to take you out. If then price comes back to close to the downside, you can always get back in on the bearish side of the trade. But keeping your losses small keeps you in control and gives you the power to follow the market strength and make money. And you can see how the market continued to shoot up for about another 100 pips. Guys, I just want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. I guess I should show you where the market is currently. The market is just kind of right there currently. It was in this small trading range. We got this bounce off, and that's where we are now. Guys, keep your losses small. Remember that choppy markets are setup markets, and you can see how it was I got set up. I got set up. Price did exactly what I expected it to do, and then it came back to hurt my feelings. So guys, there is nothing 100% in the market. Ensure every trade. Keep your losses small and ride your profits long. Have a terrific, wonderful trading week.